Well, the chants have already begun. The calm before the Goldberg storm. And what a storm it promises to be. Moments away from an explosion of offense from Goldberg.
Is a triple threat steel cage match. Making his way to the ring from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 270 pounds, the World Heavyweight Champion, Goldberg.
An insatiable rage and an endless appetite for destruction. A man who thrives in hostile environments and can take you out with one move.
And his opponents, first from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, the WWE Champion, the Immortal Hogan!
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good. Keeps his focus 100% of the time. That's why he's the champion. Here comes the Beast. The most dominant competitor in WWE history.
And from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, Brock Lesnar!
Guys, talk about an intimidating individual.
Yeah, Lesnar has no clue what remorse is. Just pure bloodlust.
A true beast in every sense of the word.
Brock Lesnar began his career dominating WWE, was nearly unstoppable in MMA, and has spent over a decade dominating the WWE landscape since returning.
A man who has been virtually unstoppable.
The cage is in place, and we're ready to start this match with Goldberg, Hulk Hogan, and Brock Lesnar.
Despite all your rage, you are now locked in a cage. What is lost in here can never be saved.
Lesnar cuts him off. Bulldog brings them down.
You must have seen that coming.
Counter after counter.
Full-leg back. No rules, two opponents, and one huge target on your back in a triple threat match.
Yeah, Cole, in a situation like this, you really have to be on your toes. You don't want to waste any time here. Your opponents certainly are going to. Nice drop kick.
And Hogan falling victim to a slew of offense.
Hulkster's in a disheartening position. That was tough. She got airline miles for that.
Planning on what to do next. The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
Denied with an elbow.
Into the corner now. He's turning the tables.
Running FTO plants him.
Nicely done. Shoulder tackle. Uh-oh, this is not going to end well.
Big time powerbomb.
Back. Jeez, you see that?
Clothesline. So effective.
Oh, man.
He's able to counter Goldberg.
Right hook. Got the full set. Slam. Great wherewithal from Goldberg.
Oh, what a slam. The power.
What dominance. Just cranking ahead. Chokeslam? Oh, no.
All the way up.
The spine buster crippling. Able to get the advantage here.
God, that's devastating.
And Hulkster looks a bit stifled.
I think we're going to see it. Lesnar. Good night. Could be the end for Goldberg.
Fast press! Fast press!
Yes, press.
Ooh! He may get the 3 count right here!
I think so.
Oh, got the shoulder up just at the last minute at 2.5. He kicked out.
Out of the way in time.
Both competitors showing how well they know one another.
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Right to the throat.
My God, what a striking display. He went right into that turnbuckle.
What a reversal by Goldberg.
Running FTO plants him.
Nicely done.
Takedown.
Goldberg with a spear. Lesnar will be your tour guide for this trip to Suplex City.
To Suplex City.
Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver.
Another reversal. Eye for an eye here. Finds the advantage after a string of counters.
Nicely done.
Goldberg setting him up. Clothesline to the back of the neck. He's struggling a bit here.
The toll, the damage that a steel cage match does, we are seeing it right now, Michael. Well executed takedown.
seconds longer in this match.
Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them.
Submission locked in tight, nowhere to go, no escape. This could be the end. There's no way he survives this. No. Furiously trying to fight his way out of the bear hug. Can he do it? Yes.
And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area.
Ooh, slows that down with a well-placed kick.
It's a great reversal.
Running FTO plants. Nicely done. Big forearm. Averting danger with an elbow to the stomach. Back suplex, no! Driven down.
Bad predicament right here.
Driven down face first. Oh dear, this doesn't look good. That's a free fall.
Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them. I have no idea how he hasn't tapped out yet.
All the heart, all his desire being put to the test.
And Hogan shaking off the effects of this matchup to mount some offense.
Yeah, Brock being faced with adversity here.
And that stops whatever Goldberg had intended.
He manages to escape it.
Look at this. Slam.
A back suplex.
And this has got to be it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
Dominating shoulder tackle. Oh my gosh, what impact.
Brooks. Good luck getting out of this. I guess that's one way to do it.
Uh-oh. Full mount. Hammer fists. Striking at will. The ref might want to stop this one. Striking at will.
Goldberg so dominant, and Goldberg is so dialed in, and there's nowhere for Lesnar to run.
Uh-oh.
Answering back. Fast press. Fast press.
Chicken wing, underhook. Uh-oh.
And the damage must be mounting on the torso to this point.
Every hit more detrimental than the last.
Drops the hammer right on the lower back.
What a counter by Hogan.
Big back, but he could pin his opponent right here. It's over.
Oh, perfect kick.
He said it opened the door and opened it all. Let's end this thing. This is a bold decision. Hurry up, ref.
He's trying to escape through the door, trying to win the steel cage match.
Can he do it? Can he do it? He's almost there. There's the bell, and he survives this brutal cage match.
Let's take another look at these guys in action.
Here is your winner, Goldberg!
and gentlemen, we have a winner, or at least what's left of one.
Celebrating now, visiting